How to enable or disable swipe down for notification panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tap on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on home screen. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on swipe down for notification panel. Tap on the toggle button to turn this feature off or switch it on. Now it said here, when you turn this on, open the notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. So anywhere on the home screen here, I can swipe down to open up the notification panel. So that is the feature there. Otherwise, you can switch it off so that you can prevent accidental swiping to open up the notification panel. So instead of opening up the notification panel, it will now open up the app screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.